going to do the wiring for both scenarios, for single phase and for double phase wiring. And we are going to connect in the big one, in the double phase, we are going to connect everything: the voltmeter, the ammeter, the frequency meter, all the indicators, breakers. And in this small board, we are going to do the single phase connection. And this is basically the board that we are going to do in the laboratory. Yeah, this is the board that we are going to do the single phase. Yeah, everybody follow me? Okay, we are going to start with the single phase connection. In this particular case, I have three sources of power. Three sources of power. I have the pedestal, I have the generator, and I have the inverter. No, all of them, they have connection to ground, and connection to ground. That's okay. And I have three breakers. One breaker for short power, other breaker for a generator, and other breaker for inverter. No? Hot, neutral, and hot, neutral. It's important put the phases and the hot lines in the same position in all the breakers. Yeah, in order to connect all of them together, organize it. Okay, what is the meaning of that? In the output of this, I have a hot line, and hot line. No, guys? I am going to connect all of them together. And what about the neutral? The neutral will be exactly the same. I have neutral, and neutral. And I am going to connect all of them together. Everybody follow me? Okay. And now, with this common connection, in the output of that common connection, I am going to feed my what is this? Excuse me? Isolator transformer. Angel, isolator transformer. Ready? What is the function of the isolator transformer?
Just clean.
Clean the signal. If the signal have too much noise, interference, in the other side, what happened with the signal? It's completely clean. That's it. This element is used to prevent corrosion? No, this is to clean signal. What is the element used to prevent corrosion?
The
galvanic isolator. Now we are going to start. Okay, in the output of this, I have the same amount of turns. It's an isolator transformer, only to clean the signal. And I have an input of hot line, and I have an input of neutral. Yeah? This breaker is for single phase. Breaker for single phase only have two terminals, one for the hot line and other one for the neutral. Okay? The hot line here, enter here in the hot bus bar. This is the hot bus bar that is common in all the breakers. And I have the neutral coming out here directly into the neutral bus bar. And this is the ground. For example, I am going to connect here the motor for the pump. This is the fresh water, or it's a pump, any pump. You have a lot of pumps in your boat. Okay, for the pump, I need hot line. It's a single phase pump. I need a neutral. And I need one ground, no? This one is connected with the ground, and I need other one connected here with the ground bus bar. Ready? When I put that symbol, it's because it's connected with this. But I avoid put more cables here. Ready? I am going to connect lights. It's exactly the same. One hot line directly into the hot position, other neutral here in the case. Yeah? And normally this element is located in the base and this one is connected with the gas. And I can connect other computers, fans, exactly the same. That's the procedure. Simple, no? I only need to connect the hotline, the neutral, and the ground. Now I am going to connect here a couple of indicators. This is the indicator, is an LED for reverse polarity. And you have another LED to indicate power. To indicate if the power coming from the pedestal or from the generator is coming in. If I have power in my panel. That's okay? Look guys, always you have a main breaker. You have a main breaker here. You have the small breakers. Normally you have a space for other couple of additional breakers. You have one LED for reverse polarity. In some panels you have another one to indicate power. But if the boat is single phase, 100% sure you have reverse polarity indicator. This is exclusive for single phase. If you have double phase and three phase, you don't have indicator for reverse polarity. I'm going to explain later why not. And you have the voltmeter. I recommend voltmeter and meter and frequency meter. In the panel for double phase, I'm going to explain the procedure to install those meters. That's the panel. No? We have the isolator transformer, the battery charger. We have 3 meters, volts, frequency, and amps. And we have the 3 breakers: generator, inverter, short power. And we have the short power connection. Short power connection. This is an a.c.r. The a.c.r is related with the battery charger. No, the battery charger receives hot and neutral from one breaker, battery charger, and in the output is DC. The output enter in the a.c.r. And the a.c.r have 2 outputs. One output for battery bank number 1 and other output for battery bank number 2. Simple. In the back, in the ground line, I interrupt the ground line and I insert, what is this? The galvanic isolator. And after that, this is the ground bus bar, is interrupted. I insert that one, and that one continue, and finish in the piece of zinc. In the piece of zinc, located outside of the boat. Okay, great, guys, pay attention. In this moment, my boat is working with this, with short power or inverter. The boat is connected to the short power, and AC power is in the boat right now. Can I enter in the boat, go to the engine room, start the generator, and work with the generator? Yes! Yes, because only the breaker of short power is on. The other breakers are off. And additionally, in the generator, in the output of the generator, I have another breaker. If I enter in the engine room to do the service on the generator, I turn off the breaker, I start the generator, I run the generator, I calibrate everything. The boat is running with short power. The main breaker over there, short power, is off. And this one is off. I don't have problem. You understand? When I move this one and I turn on the breaker generator, I go here, start the generator. When the generator is running, I turn on this one, and now the power enters over there. Everybody follow me? That's the process. I decide to turn off the generator and connect the short power, because right now my boat is on the dock. My engineer, hey my friend, turn off generator and connect short power. What is the procedure? The guy goes here, turn off the breaker, shoot down the generator, stop, and now go here and turn on short power. That's it. And the short power will be connected. Yeah, it's a process. Today, the new generation of boats, they have an automatic switch selector. Some years ago, the automatic transfer switch was not accepted in marine application. Why? Because the recommendation, especially in recreational boats, in small boats, is that you are in charge of that change. You change from generator into shore power, that's your decision, or you change from inverter into shore power, that's your decision. But today, the modern boat is automatic, and the transfer switch is automatic. In the last chapter of this course, I'm going to explain the automatic transfer switch, how the switch works. Okay? Good, my friends? That's the situation. Now we are going to talk about reverse polarity. What happened with reverse polarity? And what is the meaning of that? You remember that in the theory about the bonding, I explained that the bonding conductor is this one. This is the bonding conductor. And externally, the bonding conductor is connected to the sacrificial anode. The sacrificial anodes are in three materials, three alloys: zinc, aluminum, and magnesium. It's famous, the zinc, and the people say zinc, but not always is zinc, depending on the water and the type of the material of the hull. Later we are going to study those different sacrificial anodes. Suppose that is zinc. This is the connection here. But everything inside of the boat is connected. The ground bus bar is connected to the bonding conductor. And all the metallic elements in the boat are connected with the bonding conductor. You remember this one? This is the bonding conductor, and all the metallic elements are connected here, and finally with the zinc outside. Good? Okay. What is the function of this grounding connection? What is the function? Drain what? Drain static electricity. And in some emergencies, drain big currents, no? During the storm, lightning, or if one hot line in one motor is touching the case of any equipment, drain here directly into the ground, no? But normally, in normal condition, is draining a small DC currents. How much is the voltage here? The amount of amps flowing in normal condition here?
0?
Yeah, 0.00 something. A little. Is normal here 5 amps?
No.
3 amps? No, that's too much. That's too much. No, I have 1.5 amps constantly here. No, papi, you have a big leak of current. You need to identify where is the leak. Okay, guys? All right. Pay attention. Here, in this bus bar, is supposed that is flowing a little, practically 0 amps, practically nothing, in normal conditions. This is the bonding conductor, and the bonding conductor is connected with the ground bus bar in the AC panel. Pay attention. Suppose that somebody make a mistake in the wiring of this panel. And in the moment of the connection of the wire, this guy connect this one here and this one here. Excuse me, what happened right now with the neutral bus bar?
It's hot.
Is hot. And what happened right now with the hot bus bar? Is neutral. Is neutral. Pay attention. Mr. Lopez, but what is the problem? My motor continue running. My light is on. My fan is on. All of those equipments are running. You remember that you can connect in the outlet single phase like this or like this.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Because remember, the hot supply current and the neutral return the excess of current. You remember that? Because it's the coil. All right. Mr. Lopez, doesn't matter because the motor is running, the light is on. No problem if I have reverse polarity. Probably not in your home. In your boat, this is the situation. Pay attention. Now, the neutral bus bar is hot. What happens if, for some reasons, one electrician, no marine electrician, install in your boat some equipment and he decide put together neutral with ground? What happened in this moment that I have reverse polarity? What happened with my ground bus bar and my bonding? How much voltage I have in my bonding? 120 volts, 60 amps in my bonding conductor. What? Oh, my friend, here one of the connections is the through hole. The through hole with the valve for the water of the generators. This is the through hole. It's connected to the bonding. What happens if I have 60 amps flowing around the metal of the through hole in a weekend? That metal is perforated and your boat goes down. Flop. Finito. Now you understand why reverse polarity is catastrophic?